While working on the development of an e-commerce website, your customer is really interested in the approach you will be using to design a specific functionality, as it will help reduce the lead time. Which technique are you using here? So keyword in the question is that you are working on a specific functionality. Okay, so a process analysis. Process analysis is when you analyze the process. Over here, the keyword is not about process, it's about the specific functionality. So A can be eliminated. B, decision making. They did not talk about decision anywhere in the question, so B can be ruled out as well. C, problem solving. Okay, you are trying to resolve the problem, but how you are trying to resolve the problem? By designing slash working on a specific functionality, which is actually designed for X, where you keep the, you talk about only one functionality. Like for example, if I'm talking about design for reliability, so instead of design for X, it will become DFR, where I'm working on this specific functionality, which is reliability in that case. So your correct answer should be D, which is designed for X. Refer to PMBOK page 295 for more information. Thank you.